Here's how to get the most value from your points and miles. If you're collecting points or miles on purchases you'd be making anyway, rewards credit cards might be a worthwhile addition to your wallet. Respondents in a Slickdeals study of 2,000 credit card customers in 2021 indicated they saved an average of $757 per year by leveraging their rewards. It's crucial to remember, too, that the value of the points or miles you earn might vary a lot from one card to the next. The key is to get one of the finest rewards credit cards, and then use your points wisely. Here's all you need to know. Key takeaways. The value of credit card miles and points varies substantially depending on the card. When redeemed for travel, points and miles are often worth more than cash, gift cards, or shopping. Some co-branded airline and hotel loyalty cards have a higher redemption value than other travel rewards cards, but they may limit how you may use your points. Some credit cards allow you to transfer points or miles to other travel partners, giving you more options for how you use your rewards. Before we go any further, keep in mind that none of the following should be considered investment advice. It's only for educational purposes, and it'll teach you how to assess your own credit cards. Earning credit card points. Reward points may be a powerful motivator to use cards instead of cash. According to an Ipsos research, 53% of Americans feel that collecting points and prizes encourages them to use their cards more frequently. Furthermore, 49% of those questioned indicated they'd consider switching credit cards if it meant earning more rewards. Points may be earned in a variety of ways depending on the credit card. Some companies employ a flat incentive system, with a defined number of points awarded for every dollar spent. Others differentiate their rewards by tiering them, with some purchases receiving more points per dollar than others. Additional points may be earned through initial welcome incentives, anniversary bonuses, and referral bonuses, among other things. Meeting specified criteria is usually required to earn these points. For example, if you charge $3,000 in purchases in the first 3 months, you may get $100,000 extra points. What are the values of credit card points? Credit card points are usually worth 1 penny apiece. However, depending on what you redeem your points for and which card you use, the exact value you receive in exchange for your points might vary. Your redemption possibilities may vary depending on the card. Travel statement credits, paying off past purchases, a cash deposit into a bank account, a paper check, shopping with points, gift cards, charitable donations. Earning credit card miles. Travelers who wish to apply their rewards toward plane tickets may be interested in earning miles with a rewards card. Although miles are frequently connected with airline co-branded rewards cards, there are various travel reward choices that allow you to earn miles without booking a certain airline. Whether a card that's co-branded with a certain airline or one that rewards miles on every transaction is better for you depends on your regular spending patterns and how you want to fly. If you mostly fly Delta, for example, it could make sense to have a travel rewards card that gives you more points when you book Delta tickets. On the other hand, if you're not loyal to any particular airline, a card that offers unlimited double miles on purchases could be a better fit. Rewards cards that give miles may include initial welcome bonuses, anniversary incentives, or referral bonuses, similar to travel cards that offer points. These are various ways to boost your mile balance above and beyond what you earn just by charging items to your card. How much do travel miles cost? In most cases, airline miles are worth 1 cent apiece. However, the real worth of your miles will vary depending on which card you have and how you redeem them. Plane tickets are the most common redemption option. However, you may also be able to redeem miles for hotels, rental cars, other travel expenses, such as cruise, vacation, or resort packages, cash, gift card, shopping. Your miles may also be transferable to other airlines, hotel partners, or train travel partners. It's crucial to remember, though, that your miles might not transfer in a 1:1 ratio. By moving your rewards from one travel loyalty program to another, you risk losing the value of your miles. Points versus miles, which is better? In terms of redemption value, miles typically outperform points. Hotel rewards tend to be more valuable than general travel rewards cards when it comes to points. As a result, there is a type of hierarchy to be mindful of while deciding which rewards choice is the most useful. Whether points or miles are preferable for you will, however, be determined by your trip intentions. It can also depend on whether you pay off your debt each month or carry a load, as well as whether the card has an annual fee. For example, if you frequently travel by vehicle and stay at motels along the route, a hotel rewards card may be preferable to a card that gives miles toward flights. However, if you fly frequently for business or pleasure, miles cards may be more beneficial. Examining your purchasing history for the past 6 to 12 months will give you an estimate of how much you're likely to earn in rewards with each card. Based on the redemption numbers supplied below, you may determine how much you'd earn back from those prizes. What to look for when choosing a travel rewards card? The first step is to decide if you like points or miles. The next step is to limit your travel reward selections. When comparing rewards cards, keep the following points in mind. Rewards program structure. Consider whether tiered rewards or a flat-rate rewards program would work better for you, based on how you spend. Introductory bonus. If you're interested in a travel rewards card that offers a welcome bonus, compare the size of the bonus and the minimum spending requirement needed to qualify for it to what competing cards are offering. Redemption options. Some cards give you more choices than others in how you can redeem your points or miles. For example, a program that lets you transfer points or miles to other travel partners will give you greater flexibility. Expiration dates. With some cards and loyalty programs, your points or miles will expire after a certain period if your account has been inactive for a while. With others, they never expire. Card benefits and features. Some travel cards can add value through perks like lounge access, fee credits toward global entry or TSA pre-check, or free checked bags. Annual fees. Paying an annual fee may or may not make sense for you, depending on how often you use your card and the rewards you can collect. So you'll want to consider how much you'd need to spend to earn the fee back in rewards each year. Foreign transaction fees. If you expect to travel internationally, a card without foreign transaction fees can save you money. APR. If you think you'll ever carry a balance on your card, take note of the annual percentage rate, APR. And if you're signing up for a card with a low introductory rate, make sure you know when the promotional period ends. You don't have to limit yourself to just one travel reward card. Of course, if you want to optimize your benefits, you might want to get a hotel card, an airline card, and a general-purpose bank card. If you have to pay numerous yearly fees, be sure you're receiving your money's worth. Credit card points and miles. Frequently asked questions. What is the definition of a travel mile? A travel mile is a reward that you may earn by using a travel rewards credit card or booking flights through a frequent flyer club. Travel miles can be redeemed for airline and other travel expenditures, albeit the value of each program's redemption varies. What are the values of travel miles and points? Travel miles and points are usually worth 1 penny apiece. However, the value of your miles or points will vary depending on which card you use to earn them and what you use them for. Depending on the card and how you choose to spend them, travel points and miles might be worth more or less than 1 cent apiece. How can I use travel points? Depending on the options available on your card, travel points can be utilized in a variety of ways. Travel points may often be used to pay for flights, hotels, auto rentals, cruises, and holiday packages. Travel points can also be redeemed for cash, statement credits, shopping, gift cards, and charity donations. What is the best way to make credit card points work for you? The most valuable redemption choice, if it's something you desire, is the greatest way to utilize credit card points. When you use points for flights or hotels, for example, you may get greater value than if you used them for cash. Gift cards and point shopping usually give the lowest total redemption value for points or miles. So, that is our analysis about how to get the most value from your credit card. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Make sure the bell notification is turned on so you don't miss any new information from us. Also, don't forget to share your investing opinions. In our next one, we'll see you all again.